Wilton Hunt over here. I want to show you a quick tip that you got to have on your Google listing. Is some of you realize that these days Google is displaying number of years in business, right? If you don't set it, it will not display this number of years in business. And it's actually pretty neat for some of you who've been, right, multi-generation in the same location, right? You want to, if somebody's choosing which funeral home to call, if reviews are more or less similar, then they're going to look at number of years in business. And from Google's point of view, number of years in business is very critical from a trust point of view besides reviews. Obviously, reviews are going to be the most critical as to which one of these they're going to call. But now, if they're all more or less the same, people's eyes do gravitate towards number of years in business. And how can you make sure yours is set up correctly and actually does have this being displayed? And it's very simple. You go into your Google listing again. It's google.com/business. Go into info. That's where you update all the information that's getting pushed to here, right? Your address, phone number, hours of operation, updating your business description, things like that. But what you do is to update the number of years in business, just scroll all the way to the bottom. Okay? And this is where you put in opened, right? Opening date. Then whatever's here is what's going to be displayed here. Okay? So make sure that it is set up so that way you're the one to win that first call.